Installing the Autocad LT 2022. When we go to Autodesk website, https://www.autodesk.in, homepage of the website appears. Click at Shop All Products. A web page shows the Autocad LT and Autocad in the product list. Autocad LT is cheaper and lighter software than that Autocad. I prefer Autocad LT due to there is no difference in commands and drawing tools to prepare the drawing but only the difference of their user interface. When I click the product detail, a web page open, which shows the overview. Overview. Best-in-class 2D drafting software for precision and speed. Autocad LT is a powerful 2D computer-aided design, CAD, software that architects, engineers, construction professionals and designers rely on to design, draft and document with precise 2D geometry. Access a comprehensive set of editing, design and annotation tools. Work faster in an intuitive and customizable interface. Then click the System Requirements, which shows System Requirements for Autocad LT and Autocad for Mac LT 2022. I have MacBook Pro. I downloaded Autocad LT 2022 Mac version. You can download Windows version. When you click Free Trial, a web page open. At this web page you can download the free trial. When you click this download button, a dialog box open. Let's get started. Click the select one. Click Student or Teacher. Good news. Autodesk provides software for students and educators worldwide. Free educational access is only for educational purposes. For-profit use requires a paid subscription plan. Get verified for educational access to Autodesk products. Confirm your eligibility with Sheer ID today. Go to Education Community. Unlock educational access to Autodesk products. Students and educators can get free 1-year educational access to Autodesk products and services, renewable as long as you remain eligible. Confirm your eligibility now. Get educational access. Create an account or sign in. Then confirm your eligibility for educational access to Autodesk software and services. Additional documentation needed. Please upload a copy of documentation issued to you by your educational institution. For example, tuition receipt or student ID, employee ID, as proof that you attend, teach or are employed at a qualified educational institution. You get 14 days to upload your documentation. The document must include your full legal name, Sanjay Sharma, my name Sanjay Sharma. Note, the name on the document you submit must match this. The name of the educational institution at which you are enrolled or employed. Aligarh Muslim University, Aligarh, Uttar Pradesh. Note, the school name on the document you submit must match this. A date within the current school term. Preferred documents include school-issued confirmation letter, a copy of your student ID, photo ID not required. Supported file types, JPEG, PDF, PNG, GIF. Drag documents here, or browse. Note, if your uploaded document is too fuzzy to read, does not show your full and legal name, or shows a name different from the one you used for this Autodesk account, you will not be able to complete the confirmation process. Please do not include any confidential information in the document you upload, such as social security numbers or banking details. Please ensure any sensitive information is blacked out before you upload your document.